So welcome back to again one more filter function. If you see here in the last video or last lesson, we saw how to execute a calculate function, right? And along with the filter context, along with the filter function. So what it does is it actually filter down to that particular value and provided you with the calculator total sales, right? Now we are going to see a calculate with all function filter function. Okay, the all returns all the rows in a table or all the values in a column, ignoring any filter that might have been applied. Okay, what does it mean is basically we were talking about a filter context, right? When I go back to the Canva, in this case, okay, if you see here, this is the filter context. Now all functionality will remove all the filter context, and it will give you a one value for all the fields. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let me go here, create a new. So I would say that all function is equal to, I'll put calculate, right, total sales, or I would say sales. Okay, then I write down as all, right? Then I'm going to apply based on my product. Okay, product key. Then so it removed all the filters on the product, right? What I'll do is I'll remove this. Okay, this is the total sales. So there's a filter context applied as on the product, right? I go here, you can see that, right? It removed all the filter. Where we will use this, right? Okay, I'll explain it. When I wanted to calculate a profit margin or a profit, I need a field with the value called total sales, right? This is the total sales, right? I can use this. And then I need a total cost as well. So I can put it on all total cost as well, right? I'll have a combined value so that when I applied for the profit margin against the each filter, I can take it up, right? So again, this is one of the most wanted, or always you use this particular function actually in real time. This and the filter functions are always used, right? These are intermediate level. Okay, now you see that we've used almost 40-50 measures, right? I think almost 30 measures we have seen, right? Okay, now what we will do is we will do some calculations, okay, based on the real-time scenario. Like for example, I would say that I'll create a total sales value, total cost value, then I apply my related table one, okay, those stuff I'll see, and then I calculate my profit margin, right? Then we'll see one by one. Okay, thank you. In the next one we will cover on something on, like in a scenario, we'll take it forward. Thank you.